Are a new offering in Moodle 4.5 that can help faculty better structure their courses by grouping materials together and help students increase their focus on the content contained in them. To add a subsection into your course page, turn editing on, navigate to the section that you want to put the subsection in, and click the plus sign at the bottom of that section. Then choose subsection from the options. To rename the subsection you've just created, click the pencil next to it, edit the name of the subsection, and hit the return key. Once added, a subsection behaves in the same way as a section, allowing you to add content to it via the activity chooser. You can move items up and down inside of a subsection or out of a subsection altogether, either into the main body of the Moodle course or into another subsection. Subsections themselves can be dragged anywhere on the page, either between individual Moodle items or between subsections. Also, like sections, subsections can be collapsed to avoid scrolling and improve the display for both faculty and students. To summarize, subsections in Moodle 4.5 can help faculty better structure their courses and help students increase their focus on course content.